Good morning, student. Now today I am going to the discussion. One more experiment related to the oxalic acid and camphor solution. It is experiment number 5. Aim is to prepare M by 20 oxalic acid solution. In experiment number 4 was M by 10 oxalic acid solution. Now today I am going to change the strength of oxalic acid with this strength. With the help of this solution, determine the molarity and strength of given chemical solution. Process is same, formula is same. It is M equal to W into 1000 divided by MV into V in ml. Again, MV equal to molar mass of oxalic acid that is calculated on that time. So 1 by 20 equal to WV into 1000 divided by 126 into 250 ml. Since we are going to prepare oxalic acid solution in 250 ml of water, so it becomes 250 ml. So 20 into WV into 4 equal to 126. WV equal to 126 divided by 20 into 4 equal to 1.574 gram. In point similar colorless to light pink, and indicator, no indicator is used because again camphor is the self indicator, no need extra indicator to indicate whether the reaction is completed or not completed. Now the problem is there to how to weigh this one, this a small amount of oxalic acid. Okay. So again I am coming to weighing 1.575 gram of oxalic acid. Okay. Okay, now M by 20 oxalic acid is prepared by Siddheshwar and Dashi. The process is the same. Again, we will take 10 ml of oxalic acid in the conical flask. Take 1 full test tube of sulfuric acid. Heating is required. Same processes that they have done in experiment number 4. Okay. Oxalic acid, yes, not done. Please again. 0. आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? हाँ, वो इंटरव्यू दिया था। उसी तरह ये निकाल के देखा ऊपर। धीरे धीरे one more drop. What's the problem? Yes, good. No, no. 12.5. Yes. Throw it. चलो seriously. Yes, heating is required again 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Now, write for the initial reading for second observation 12.5. Yes, sir.
Rating is 25.
First observation, calculation is required. Now, first of all, note down the observation table. This is the observation table. Again, same process that have used in previous experiment. Made the table in same way. Serial number, volume of auxiliary acid used, urate reading, volume of chemical use, initial, final, difference. For first observation, 10 ml volume of auxiliary acid used, initial 0, then final reading that observed 12.5, difference is 12.5, and this the same is the volume of chemical use, that is 12.5. Now coming to the second observation, same process is the same. 10 ml of auxiliary acid used, again initial is the 12.5, final reading that is observed 25.0, and difference is 12.5, and volume of chemical is 12.5. For third observation, same volume of auxiliary acid is taken 10 ml, initial reading is 25.0, finally 37.5, then difference is 12.5. Then again, volume of chemical is 12.5. Fourth observation, 10 ml, initial is 37.5, final is 50.0, difference is 12.5, then volume of chemical is 12.5. Means all four reading that I have observed during the experiment is 12.5. So 12.5 is the concordant volume. This is the concordant volume is 12.5. Ionic equation that used in every experiment, Mn4 minus plus 5 electron plus 8 plus to form Mn2 plus 4s2. For auxiliary acid, auxiliary ion CO minus to form CO2 plus 2 electron for balancing, placing to before CO2. But here is the number of electron is a 5, and here is the number of electron is a 2, so that a number of electron may equalize by multiplying 2 in equation 1 and 5 in equation 2, so that 10 electron and 10 electron may cancel out, and overall reaction will become 5 CO minus plus 2 MnO4 minus plus 16 H to form 2 Mn2 plus 8 H2 plus 10 CO2. Now M1 V1 equal to M2 V2, or M1 V1 by M2 V2. We have to observe ratio is 5/2. Value of M1 1 by 10. Volume of auxiliary acid that is 10. M2 going to the calculation, and V2 concordant reading 12.5 equal to 5/2. 10 cancel, means 5 into M2 into 12.5 equal to 2. M2 equal to 2 by 5 into 12.5. After calculation, it becomes 0.034 mole per liter. Okay. No, it is not a 0.0, it is 0.032 mole per liter. Now, coming to the strength. Strength equal to molar mass into molarity. Molar mass equal to 158 gram per mole. Molarity equal to 0.032 mole per liter. This one cancel. after multiplying means 158 into 0.032 gram per liter, it become 5.056 gram per liter. So this is overall calculation of experiment number 5. With this calculation, experiment 5 to get over, and titration related to oxalic acid with Chemenifol solution is also completed. Okay, thanks.